Good morning and welcome to Market Watch Monday. Today we are looking at the top economic releases that will affect the markets this week. We have an action-packed week ahead with focus on key events, FOMC interest rate decision and the US labor reports. Eurozone April consumer confidence and German April inflation report will be the most important economic releases on Monday. Australia's March retail sales and China's April manufacturing PMI will be key events of Asian session on Tuesday. German March retail sales, April unemployment and first quarter's preliminary gross domestic product, as well as Eurozone preliminary first quarter GDP and preliminary April inflation will be in focus during the European session. US April Chicago PMI, consumer confidence and American Petroleum Institute weekly crude oil stocks report will be the highlights of the US session. On Wednesday, the 1st of May, a number of markets in Asia and Europe will be closed for the Labor Day. US April ADP private sector employment report, March JOLTS job openings report, ISM April manufacturing PMI, and US Energy Information Administration's weekly crude stocks report will be released during the US session ahead of key event of the day, US Federal Reserve interest rate decision. On Thursday, Australia's March building approvals, Switzerland's April consumer price index, and German April manufacturing PMI will be in focus during Asian and European sessions. Highlights of the US session will be US weekly jobless claims and Canada's March trade balance. UK April services PMI will be the most significant event of European session on Friday. Release of US April labor report, including non-farm payrolls, average earnings and unemployment, will be key economic event on Friday, followed by release of US April non-manufacturing PMI.